Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrition and versatility: the power of eggs. Whether you enjoy them scrambled, poached, or hard-boiled, eggs are a staple in kitchens around the world, and for good reason. Let's explore the incredible benefits and uses of this humble yet powerful food. First, let's talk about nutrition. Eggs are often hailed as one of nature's perfect foods. They are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in our bodies. One large egg contains about 6 grams of protein, making it a fantastic option for anyone looking to increase their protein intake without adding excessive calories. Plus, the protein in eggs is complete, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids our bodies need. But that's not all. Eggs are also rich in vitamins and minerals. They contain significant amounts of vitamin B12, which is crucial for nerve function and the production of DNA and red blood cells. They also provide vitamin D, which helps regulate calcium and phosphate in the body, promoting healthy bones and teeth. Additionally, eggs are a great source of choline, a nutrient that supports brain health and development. In fact, one egg can provide about 30% of the daily recommended intake of choline. Now let's address a common misconception: the cholesterol content in eggs. For years, people were warned to limit their egg consumption due to the cholesterol found in the yolk. However, recent research has shown that for most people, dietary cholesterol has a minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels. In fact, eggs can actually help raise HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, which is beneficial for heart health. So if you enjoy eggs, don't shy away from them. They can be part of a balanced diet. Next, let's explore the versatility of eggs in cooking. The culinary uses of eggs are virtually endless. They can be used in sweet dishes, savory meals, and everything in between. From breakfast classics like omelets and frittatas to baked goods like cakes and cookies, eggs play a crucial role in binding ingredients, adding moisture, and providing structure. Think about it. Without eggs, we wouldn't have fluffy soufflés or rich custards. One of the unique characteristics of eggs is their ability to emulsify. This means they can blend two ingredients that typically don't mix well, like oil and vinegar. This property is what makes eggs essential in sauces like mayonnaise and hollandaise. The lecithin found in egg yolks acts as a natural emulsifier, allowing these ingredients to come together in perfect harmony. Let's not forget about the different types of eggs available. While chicken eggs are the most common, there are many other varieties worth exploring. Duck eggs, for instance, are larger and richer in flavor, making them a favorite among bakers. Quail eggs, with their delicate size and speckled shells, can add a gourmet touch to any dish. And then there are organic, free-range, and pasture-raised eggs, which many people prefer for ethical and health reasons. Each type of egg brings its own unique flavor and nutritional profile. Now let's shift gears and talk about the environmental impact of egg production. As consumers become more conscious of their food choices, the demand for sustainably sourced eggs has increased. Choosing eggs from farms that prioritize animal welfare and sustainable practices can make a difference. Look for certifications like Certified Humane or Organic to ensure that the eggs you're purchasing come from ethical sources. Supporting these farms not only benefits the animals, but also contributes to a healthier planet. In addition to their nutritional benefits and culinary versatility, eggs can also be a fantastic ingredient for those interested in budget-friendly cooking. Eggs are relatively inexpensive compared to other protein sources, making them a perfect option for families or individuals looking to stretch their grocery budgets. A carton of eggs can go a long way, whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or preparing a hearty dinner. Now, let's talk about some creative ways to incorporate eggs into your meals. For breakfast, consider making a vegetable-packed omelet or a breakfast burrito filled with scrambled eggs, beans, and salsa. For lunch, a classic egg salad sandwich can be a satisfying and nutritious option. And for dinner, think about a comforting shakshuka, where eggs are poached in a spicy tomato sauce, or a simple pasta dish topped with a fried egg for that extra richness. And here's a fun tip: eggs can also be used in skincare. The proteins and vitamins found in eggs can benefit the skin, making them a popular ingredient in DIY face masks. Egg whites can help tighten and firm the skin, while egg yolks can provide moisture and nourishment. Just remember to do a patch test first to ensure you don't have any allergies. As we wrap up today's exploration of the power of eggs, let's reflect on their incredible journey from the farm to our tables. They are not just a breakfast staple. They are a versatile, nutritious, and budget-friendly ingredient that can elevate any meal. Whether you enjoy them in a classic dish or experiment with new recipes, eggs have a unique power to nourish our bodies and inspire our culinary creativity. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content that celebrates the beauty of food and nutrition. Share your favorite egg recipes in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation about the incredible power of eggs. Until next time, happy cooking.